I'm the president of the North Creek Choirs.
Hi, I'm Almu, and I'm the vice president of the North Creek Choirs.
We both joined choir because music is a really important aspect in both of our families, and we connected by that culturally.
We started singing together in freshman year, and over these past 4 years, we have grown together so much as singers due to our amazing program.
But without your support, we can't provide adequate opportunities for our talented singers that align with the level of skill they possess.
Your donations don't just help your children, but they fuel the next generation of musicians.
Save it is to take a little time. In a minute when you're in it, can you feel the passing time? There's illusion, there's confusion when they tell you now it's time to get older, time to work and time to waste, and there's no time left to hold or time to tell them how you feel. Sit and dream, to sit and read, to sit and learn about the world, to sit and dream. To sit and dream.